Hey everybody, it's Mr. Gorski, and now it's Bill Murray, and back to Mr. Gorski, and Bill Murray, and back to Mr. Gorski. Anyway, here's Groundhog's Day. If you have never seen Groundhog's Day, I guess you just won't get the joke. Well, it's quarantine day again. Ned? Ned Ryerson? You'd have to see the movie. Okay, Monday, cheddar fries day, lima bean respect day. I didn't know they were being disrespected. Look-alike day and pineapple upside down cake day. And then Tuesday is library workers day. Maybe um, I don't know. We can't really see anybody, so never mind. It's also National Covered Chocolate Covered Cashews Day and National Kindergarten Day and National Yellow Bat Day. Actually, I guess you could email Mrs. Curtis and Mrs. Leininger and wish them a happy Library Workers Day. Okay, getting into our puzzle, if you want to answer the puzzle, it's in the extra area. So that's where you go. Some people are emailing me. I get drowned in emails, and I probably would miss people's answers, and people would be like, "Oh, I answered the question great, and you didn't give me a shout out." Because yeah, I'm only collecting answers here in the puzzle area. It's in the extra section. I actually had two puzzles. This one is what showed up on the video last time. And if you solve this one, the answer is 54. The tricky part was each of these dumbbells were worth 6, but two of them together are worth 12. And then the little guy, the human, which is worth 5, is wearing a mask, which is worth 3, and holding a dumbbell, which is worth 7, or which is worth 6. And so that answer, when you multiply them and then add the 12, you get 54. With this one, I think more people are solving this when they saw, oh, yeah, it's this in there. Grady and Tori both got the correct answer. The shoes, two pairs of shoes are worth 10, but one shoe is worth 5. That's important later on. Then the people are each worth 5. These ties end up to be worth 4 for two of them, 2 for one of them. So this guy is wearing 2 ties, so it'd be a human worth 5, plus 2 shoes, that would be 10, plus 2 ties, which is 4. So that would be what, 19? 19 times 2 is 38, and then 38 plus 5 is 43. You gotta, PEMDAS it, people. Here's our puzzle for next time. Head to that area to answer it and put your answer in there. We've been talking a lot about nature versus nurture, and that's really the two things we're studying: genetic factors and environmental factors. And so when we get into our topic, first of all, thigmotropism, that's when plants change to their growth around and bend toward an object. Wait a second, I think I've already gone over this one. Yeah, I already did this one. This was in the explain. Never mind. You guys did fabulous with the elaborate. I've been looking at your great quizzes scores and whatnot. When we get into our work for today, you're going to have this video, and then you're going to have a quiz 9 study guide that's going to pop up. And it's just one of these study guides, like we've already done one. This is what it looks like. It's the stoplight one again. So you're not answering in all 3 boxes. You're just answering in one of them. If you really knew the answer without looking at your notes, you write it in green. If you didn't know the answer and you were kind of sure about it, but you had to check, put it in yellow. If you didn't know and you had to go look for the answer, that goes in red. And so then that gives you an idea. Oh, I need to really study these, and I probably need to study these as well, and I don't need to study these. So try to fill it out on your own and do it in either green or yellow. Then check those yellow answers. Then the ones you haven't answered, find in red. I'll grade yours when you are done with it, and so you'll kind of know how well you did. And we're gearing up for our quiz next class, and then we'll be doing a study guide for the test, which we'll be taking on Friday and Monday. Woohoo, test time. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me or see me on Schoology conferences, and hope to see you all. Have a great week.